Hello, in this video I'll show you how to delete files on Google Drive. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply open your browser, then just simply click on the app icon right over here. Now just simply choose Google Drive. Now just simply log into your correct Google Drive by using your Google account. Now to delete a file you will have few options. So first option, if you want to delete some file over here, just simply hover over the file like this, then click on the three dots right over here. And right over here, you will have the option of move to trash. If you click on that, the file will be deleted. The second way is just simply click on that file and you will find the option right over here as well. Again, it will be trash bin option. If you click on this option, the file will be deleted and sent to trash. But yet, it's not completely deleted. So if you want to completely delete it, go to the trash option and then click on empty trash. And this will permanently delete the file from your Google Drive. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and do like subscribe to our channel and take care.